Hello, this is Andrea Mowry of Drea Renee Knits, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a right leaning increase. I'm going to demonstrate this increase twice. The first time I will hold the working yarn in my right hand, known as English or throwing, and then I will demonstrate once more holding the working yarn in my left hand, known as Continental or picking. Let's get started. We are going to begin by looking at, this is the stitch closest to our left-hand needle tip, and this is what we're going to be using for our increase. And we are going to insert our right needle tip into the right leg of the stitch below the one on our needle. So you can see I'm inserting that needle tip from behind, and then I'm just going to lift it straight up and pop it right on to my left needle. I'm going to now knit through that leg, and then to finish the increase, I just knit through the original stitch as well. And that's it, pretty easy peasy. All right, let's go ahead and try it once more, Continental style. So I'm going to be using this stitch right here. I'm going to use my right needle tip and insert it into the stitch below the one on my needle, into the right leg, coming in from behind. And I'm going to lift that up on to the left needle, knit through that leg, and then knit the original stitch as well. And that's it. We've increased by one stitch. And you have just done a right leaning increase, or a right lifted increase, I meant. Happy knitting!